Yapmala Motorsports Club, in collaboration with the Motorsports Club of Meghalaya, is organizing the first Yapmala Northeast Motocross Championships 2021 on 10th and 11th December 2021 at Yapmala in East Jaintia Hills. The main attractions include swimming competition, fashion show by local designers, and a DJ night featuring DJ Jelly, DJ Defrex, DJ Sen and DJ Daffy. Tent stay will be made available for campers on both days. The event is sponsored by Michael Nongtadu, Eccentric and Oldest Shillong. So people, come let your hair down and enjoy the taste of food, fashion and music at the event.
More details, contact 93627-83292 and 98628-23900.
Don't miss it.
The KHASI Students' Union on Tuesday morning gathered at the LYNGDOH Memorial at DHANKHETI, Shillong to commemorate the late student leader's 27th death anniversary. Apart from floral tributes paid to the departed leader, a minute's silence was also observed to honor the late LYNGDOH. Those present at the function included President of the KHASI Students' Union LAMBOKSTAR MARNGAR, General Secretary Donald V. THABAH, family members of late LYNGDOH, members of the KHASI Students' Union, besides others. While speaking about the late student leader, the General Secretary of the KSU, Donald V. THABAH, informed that LYNGDOH was a great leader who was instrumental to the fight against illegal migrants into the state. THABAH also stated that it was LYNGDOH who spearheaded the demand for ILP in the state and also the opposing of railway lines to be set up in Meghalaya's Barnihat area.
Well, today the KSU are gathered here to commemorate the 27th death anniversary of Babul and LYNGDOH. In the year 27th death anniversary of Babul and LYNGDOH. In the year 1994, Babul and LYNGDOH, at the age of 42 years old, passed away from this earth. Babul LYNGDOH is instrumental in the KSU is that he is the first to start the demand for the implementation of the inner line permit here in Meghalaya. He was also instrumental in opposing the railhead project in Meghalaya. Also at that time it was Babul who fought, under the leadership of Babul, that the KHASI Students' Union and the members of the KHASI community fought against the illegal immigrants who were trying to oppress, who were trying to snatch away the lands of the local indigenous KHASIs. So although this monument, this bust of Bull was erected by the KSU a few years back, and today we pay tribute to him, and like what Babul had taught us what to do, then the KSU will follow in his footsteps so as to ensure that the indigenous community, particularly the KHASI community, will continue to live in peace, will continue to live with security and with dignity. Thank you.